Although we have often seen in argument structure the conclusion dropped, in this kind of writing, when we are comparing things to make an emergent point, the conclusion is important. Here we want to summarize for the reader our emergent point or points. We might have covered a lot of ground comparing these different things, so we need to bring the reader back. In Frederick Douglass's passage, we didn't see this, but that is because this is part of a book. So the book develops this emergent point. In fact, Frederick Douglass's life was devoted to this emergent point, that slavery is bad. It should be abolished. We also should include a strong conclusion with our emergent point or our emergent points. What do I mean by points? Well, it might be just simple advice. Would you rather have a cat or a dog? They are different pets. That's our thesis. They are different. Cats are quieter, dogs are louder. Cats are more independent, dogs are more dependent. Cats can usually take care of themselves. Dogs require you to take care of them. So, in conclusion, if you are looking for a quiet, independent pet that can take care of itself, you might choose a cat. If you're looking for a louder, dependent pet that requires you to care for it, you might choose a dog. Here, I have included 2 points at the end to summarize the choices the reader might make. In the same way, it could be a single point that you make here at the end. For example, with the dogs and cats, you might use this comparison to lead to something interesting, which is, isn't it strange that human beings keep pets? Some people keep cats, some people keep dogs, but isn't that strange that we like to keep pets even though the pets might be very different? And then you might explore that idea. You might do the same thing with coffee and tea, or any comparison that leads to a new insight that you then develop. You want to lead to that point, and then maybe you want to develop that point. Or, as in Frederick Douglass's writing with the ironic part of the set, if you are arguing with someone and you know what they will say against you, you might use this kind of twist to come back to your original point. Like I might say that a more disciplined, fast-paced class is better than a looser, less organized class, because we make more progress and we remember things better. And although some people might say it lessens creativity, in fact, creativity blossoms in unlooked-for places. And the best preparation is discipline. So really, a disciplined, fast-paced class is the best. I just preempted. I knew what maybe my opponent might say. So instead, I preempted that and brought it back to a strength of my emergent point, that this kind of class is better, or whatever you might be arguing with another person. The point is, you want to bring it back to whatever you're saying.